powerful affirmations to keep you fired up and focused through your 90 days challenge. I am confident in my ability to achieve my goals in this 90 days challenge. I am fully committed to putting in the work necessary to achieve success. I am grateful for the opportunity to participate in this challenge and grow my business. I am focused and determined to succeed in this challenge. I am excited about the potential for growth and progress during this challenge. I am motivated by the rewards and recognition that come with success in this challenge. I am constantly learning and improving my skills to be successful in this challenge. I am willing to take risks and try new things to be successful in this challenge. I am proud of my progress so far and will continue to push myself to do better. I am dedicated to providing value to my customers and team members. I am always looking for ways to improve and streamline my processes to be more efficient. I am grateful for the support and encouragement of my team members and mentors. I am confident in my ability to overcome obstacles and challenges during this challenge. I am focused on my goals and will not be distracted by setbacks or distractions. I am committed to maintaining a positive attitude and mindset throughout this 90 days challenge. I am determined to exceed my own expectations and achieve success beyond what I thought was possible. I am open to feedback and constructive criticism to improve my performance. I am patient and persistent, knowing that success takes time and effort. I am constantly setting new goals and challenges for myself to continue to grow and improve. I am grateful for every opportunity to connect with new people and share my business with them. I am always learning from my mistakes and using them as opportunities to improve. I am confident in the value of the products and services I offer and will passionately share them with others. I am focused on building long-term relationships with my customers and team members. I am dedicated to creating a supportive and positive environment for my downlines to thrive in. I am committed to maintaining a positive attitude and mindset throughout this 90 days challenge. I am grateful for the flexibility and freedom that comes with running my own business. I am willing to work hard and make sacrifices to achieve success in this challenge. I am committed to staying organized and managing my time effectively to maximize my productivity. I am confident in my ability to adapt to changes and stay resilient during this challenge. I am excited about the potential for personal growth and development during this challenge. I am focused on creating a successful and sustainable business for the long term. I am always looking for ways to innovate and differentiate myself from the competition. I am dedicated to creating a positive impact in the world through my business. I am motivated by the potential for financial freedom and stability. I am grateful for the support and encouragement of my friends and family. I am confident in my ability to make a difference in people's lives through my business. I am focused on building a strong and supportive community within my business. I am committed to staying disciplined and consistent throughout this challenge. I am excited about the potential for growth and development of my leadership skills during this challenge. I am always looking for ways to give back to my community and make a positive impact. I am grateful for the opportunity to work with like-minded individuals who share my vision and values. I am confident in my ability to create a life of abundance and fulfillment through my business. I am focused on my long-term vision and will not be deterred by short-term setbacks. I am confident in my ability to make effective invitations and follow-up calls. I am grateful for every opportunity to connect with potential customers and team members. I am excited about the possibilities that come with overcoming my fear of making calls. I am committed to pushing through my discomfort and making calls every day. I am motivated by the potential rewards of making successful calls. I am dedicated to improving my skills and techniques with every call. I am open to feedback and constructive criticism to improve my calling skills. I am proud of the progress I have made in overcoming my fear of making calls. I am focused on building relationships and trust with my prospects through my calls. I am confident in my ability to handle objections and challenges during calls. I am committed to following up with every prospect until they make a decision. I am grateful for every new customer and team member who joins my business as a result of my calls. I am always learning and growing in my ability to make successful calls. I am willing to keep improving my skills and try new approaches in my calls. I am dedicated to providing value and helpful information to my prospects during my calls. I am excited about the possibilities that come with success in my business through successful calls. I am motivated by the desire to achieve my goals and fulfill my potential. I am focused on the present moment during my calls, staying in the moment and being present. I am committed to practicing self-care and managing my stress levels to overcome my fear of making calls. I am confident in my ability to achieve success and overcome any obstacles in my way through my determination and hard work. I am excited about the opportunities that come with prospecting and booking calls. I am confident in my ability to connect with potential customers and team members. I am always looking for ways to improve my prospecting and invitation skills. I am dedicated to making prospecting and invitation calls a priority in my daily routine. I am grateful for every opportunity to share my business with others. I am focused on building relationships and trust with my prospects. I am motivated by the challenge of reaching out to new people every day. I am committed to making the most of every prospecting and invitation call. I am open to feedback and constructive criticism to improve my skills. I am proud of the progress I have made in my prospecting and invitation skills so far. I am always looking for ways to make my calls more engaging and effective. I am confident in my ability to connect with potential customers and team members. I am always looking for ways to improve my prospecting and invitation skills. I am dedicated to making prospecting and invitation calls a priority in my daily routine. I am grateful for every opportunity to share my business with others. I am focused on building relationships and trust with my prospects. I am motivated by the challenge of reaching out to new people every day. I am committed to making the most of every prospecting and invitation call. I am open to feedback and constructive criticism to improve my skills. I am proud of the progress I have made in my prospecting and invitation skills so far. I am always looking for ways to make my calls more engaging and effective. I am grateful for the support and encouragement of my team and mentors. I am confident in my ability to learn and adapt to new challenges in my business. I am dedicated to providing accurate and helpful information to my prospects and customers. I am grateful for the opportunity to help others improve their lives through my business. I am focused on creating a sustainable and profitable business model. I am committed to being honest and transparent in my business dealings. I am excited about the personal growth and development that comes with pursuing my goals. I am confident in my ability to succeed in this challenge. I am always looking for ways to push myself outside of my comfort zone. I am committed to celebrating my successes and learning from my failures. I am always looking for ways to support and encourage my downlines. I am grateful for the opportunity to work with like-minded individuals who share my vision. I am committed to building a strong and supportive team culture. I am always looking for ways to improve my communication and leadership skills. I am confident in my ability to inspire and motivate my team to succeed. I am dedicated to creating a legacy of success and positivity in my business. I am excited about the possibilities that come with achieving my goals in this 90 days challenge. I am motivated by the desire to create a better life for myself and my loved ones. I am grateful for the opportunities and blessings that come with success in my 90 days challenge. I am always learning and growing in my business. I am always learning and growing in my business. Every day, I take small steps toward my bigger goals. I am capable of achieving greatness in my business. I am grateful for the opportunity to work towards my dreams. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you soon.